Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark. This is Mark My Words. Today I'm going to show you around an abandoned nuclear power plant, Żarnowiec, located about 50 kilometers northwest of Gdansk in Poland. Construction on this site began with the first nuclear power plant in Poland. It began in March 1982. Excuse me eyes, I'm reading some of my notes here that I've done some research on this place. The plant was supposed to cover an area of around 425 hectares, that includes all of the supporting buildings, so not just the reactors. There was a lot of public opposition to the plant due to the location here, but it was interrupted due to martial law in 1981, so that people actually couldn't protest and couldn't stop the place being built. The protest obviously escalated due to the Chernobyl disaster in 1986. And the protesters, including Lech Wałęsa, forced the government to hold a local referendum, so a local referendum to the local area, which is like Gdansk, Gdynia, Sopot, regarding the plant in 1987. And this was actually delayed until 1990 due to some local elections. But over 86% of the voters in 1990 voted against completing the plant. So despite over 40% of this plant being completed, the project was officially liquidated and construction was stopped in December 17th, 1990. So that's how it's abandoned, because it was all stopped. The total cost, the estimated cost of how much they spent, so from the planning, the construction, and then the deconstruction of the parts that were already done, is over or in excess of $500 million, which is a huge amount of money for Poland. But the abandoned site, which I'm actually right in now, or part of the site at the start of it, it's actually said to be heavily guarded with security, alarms around the perimeter, and it's also illegal to be here. But you know, these reports could be wrong. It might not be. I have just seen a sign saying you're not allowed in, but the reports on being guarded might be wrong. So I'm going to go and check it out. So let's go and have a walk along, see what we can see, and then if I can't get too close, I'll just send the drone up and see what it can see, and hopefully nobody comes and stops me. So yeah, as I said, my name's Mark at the start of this video. If you're new here, I make short videos about my life here in Poland as an Englishman. So if that's of any interest to you, or you find it that you want to watch more, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's go and take a look. Been walking for ages around this place trying to find a way in. Most entrances are like sort of heavily secure. We can see just down there, you can see it's part of a building, so I'm going to keep walking around. I did try to climb through a hole in the fence, that didn't work. It was mainly just trees and I couldn't get through the trees, so I'm walking further along here to see which way in I can find. Let's see if we can get in there. didn't manage to scale the fence and get right in, but I did manage to get the drone up and have a little look around. So you should have just seen that footage before I'm saying this. Hopefully it was alright. It's about like 7 o'clock in the morning. Actually, got up at 5 to come here. I just didn't really want people to be around, and thought it might be easier to get in early hours in the morning. But now it's dull, grey and raining, and it's end of September, so it is getting a little bit cold, cooler now. So you should see in the background on the drone footage a lot of like fog and mist. Hopefully it doesn't make the footage look like blurry or anything like that. But yeah, definitely worth a visit if you're in the area and you don't mind walking in illegal grounds or trespassing, if you want to say that. Probably wouldn't recommend tourists to come here. It's not exactly very accessible, obviously, and it's quite far away from Gdansk if you're on holiday there. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching, and more videos coming soon. See you later. Bye.